My name is Ricardo Tango, CEO of Qafe.co.za and Qafe Worldwide. Today I just want to show you guys that I just got some new Qafe green coffee. Qafe green coffee just been delivered by Aramex. Aramex, they never disappoint. Shout out to Aramex, best delivery company in the world. They take my packages or my Qafe green coffee and they just distribute it right over the world. So shout out to Aramex, amazing job guys. And then, so yeah, I just got some new Qafe green coffee. And now I'm gonna show you guys how to make some Qafe green coffee, okay? But I'm not make it like I usually make it. Qafe green coffee is like a normal coffee. The only thing is that it's a green coffee. So when you put this coffee into your mug, right? So it's a sachet. It's a sachet, right? There's 30 sachets in one bag, right? And then if you put the sachet into your cup and you put in some hot water, you can put some sugar. I put in low-fat milk. I drink low-fat milk. If you put it into your mug and whatever, so then you can just make yourself a cup of coffee. That's going to actually help you lose weight. Huh? Can you believe that? Yeah, it comes with nutrients. Okay, you can't see, and it has 53% of CGA content. You guys can go Google what is CGA content. It's actually the green bean that helps you actually lose the weight, and it's real coffee, like real 53% CGA. Right, and yeah, so I mean, we're in Cape Town and it is freakishly hot. I'm sure you guys know that summer is here and we're hitting 28, 29, 30 degrees constantly every day for the next couple of days. I mean, up until probably like end of January, it's going to be like freakishly hot. So therefore I decided today I'm not just gonna make normal coffee with boiling water and stuff like that, right? You can, obviously, that's how it's intended to be made, but today I'm gonna try something new. Today I'm gonna make me some iced coffee. I'm gonna make me some iced coffee and I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna do, and then we take it from there. Alright, so first of all, obviously you must have some cafe, right? And number two, if you're gonna make some iced coffee, you must have ice. You still need to break this ice, and then of course I'm going to need some milk, and then probably gonna have to put in some sugar. Alright, so ice into this cup. So yeah, get yourself a cup like this, right? Cup, and now I'm gonna put in some delicious ice. There you go. Boom. You see the ice? See the ice. Right. So I have like a special trick. What I do is I shake my milk and then it makes a nice froth. Look at this. I'm gonna have an iced coffee and I'm gonna lose weight at the same freaking time. Ooh, ooh. What other company can do that? Look at this. Ooh, 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 ooh. Don't you think this looks good? But obviously you can use brown sugar. I must say this coffee looks delicious. Iced coffee looks extremely delicious, and and now for the moment of truth. Oh, Ah, it tastes delicious. Sure. For a healthy drink, this is marvelous. So, I actually just had lunch, and before I go to gym, I'm just gonna have some of this coffee. So, bon appetit, guys. Go on to www.qafe.co.za/about. Otherwise, it's cafe.co.za. But go on to the website and get yourself some of this amazing coffee. It has done wonders. It changed my life, and I highly recommend it to each and everybody that wants to better their life health-wise. Definitely, definitely, absolutely. There's no two ways about it. If you want to live healthy, if you want to live longer, if you want to not complicate things, I mean, why not drink coffee? I mean, it's definitely something I recommend to everybody. I just spoke to my mom. I told my mom I have some of this green coffee. You want to go to the gym. You know, before you can go to the gym, gym starts in the kitchen, right? Gym starts in the kitchen. So yeah, thanks for watching, and